How many of you liked the story that we just read? Can I see a show of hands? Alright, most of you liked it. How many of you disliked it? A few of you. Now, I want you to give me reasons why you liked or disliked the story. Okay? Can I hear it from Susan? You like the story because it is funny. Okay, funny is an adjective. Alright? Now I want you all to give me examples of, give me your opinions using adjectives like what Susan did just now. John? You like the story because it is interesting. That's a very good adjective. Who else? Let's see, Ahmad. You dislike the story because it is boring. Boring is also another adjective. Okay, very good. Now I want all of you to take out a piece of paper and write down your personal opinion of the story. Okay, you can start like they did. You can say I like the story because, or I dislike the story because, or you can also just write the story is, interesting or funny or nice or whatever you want to write. Okay, now I'm giving you 2 minutes to finish this up. Okay, time's up. Let's see, who wants to share their opinion? Okay, Siti, go ahead. You like the story because it is exciting. That's another good adjective. Who else? All the way at the back. Chong. You like the story because it is nice. Okay. Okay, now we're gonna go and look at book covers and you understand why I asked you to write your opinions. Okay? So, this is an example of a book cover. Can anyone tell me where the title is? Up there, right? The title is at the top. It's called The Goldfinch. Alright? And who is the author? The author, the one who wrote the book. Do you see a name here? Down here, right? Okay, it's called, the author's name is Donna. Alright, now look at the side. I want all of you to look at the side. Do you see some words there? What do you think these words are? These words are opinions. Okay, so the Washington Post says that this book is a soaring masterpiece. Okay, these are very big words, I know, but basically it's a compliment. It says that this book is a very good book. Okay, and then down here you see Stephen King says that this book is a triumph. Okay, it means a victory. It won. Okay, maybe it won some prizes. Yeah, it did win a prize here. It says winner of the Pulitzer Prize. So these are opinions by the Washington Post, which is a newspaper, and Stephen King, who is another big author. Why do you think people put opinions on book covers? No idea? Okay, so if Ahmad read a book and he told Siti that the book is very funny, do you think Siti would want to read the book? Probably, right? Because Ahmad read it and Ahmad thinks it's funny. So this is the same thing. If someone else has read the book and they think the book is wonderful, it is funny, it is exciting, and they write it on the cover, when you go to the bookstore and you pick up the book, you say, oh, these other people have read the book and it's very exciting. Wouldn't you want to buy the book and read the book? Alright, so this is the reason why people put opinions on the book cover. And just now you had your opinions, and I want you to put these opinions on the book cover that you are going to design later. Okay, this is another one. Can you see all the opinions down here? It says flawless, a sophisticated, beautifully written novel. And it also says captivating. The New York Times, which is another big newspaper, said that it is captivating. These are very big words, I know. But your opinions just now can also be put there. Okay? Right. So I'm going to show you one more book cover. And in this book cover, it has the, what is this? Who is this? This is a name, so it's the author, okay? It's not the title. And the title is The Undoing Project. Now see the line that I circled down there? That is not the title. That is a short little sentence about the story. Okay? It's just a clue about what the story might be about. But it doesn't tell you about the story. It's a clue. If they told you about the story, you wouldn't have to read it anymore, okay? So now I want you to design a book cover with 4 elements. I want to see the author's name. I want to see the title. I want to see a short little sentence about the story, but without telling the entire story, okay? Just a short clue about what the story is about. And I want your opinions. At least two opinions of the story. Now you can put the Washington Post, or you can put a newspaper. What newspapers do you know? The Borneo Post. Okay, you can write funny and then the Borneo Post. Remember to put the funny in open close quotation marks, because that is something that the Borneo Post said, okay? Or you can also put your own name if you want. For example, John said, what did John say just now? That it is nice? Okay, you can put nice. You can just say nice, open close quotation marks, by John. Up to you. Alright? Now, you're going to do this in groups with the tablet that I gave you just now. So everyone take out the tablet. Whoever is holding the tablet in your group, take out the tablet and go to this app called Covers. Okay, after you've logged in, you'll see a lot of pictures there. Now, you can pick a picture. There are no pictures of lions or mice, so any picture would do, I suppose. Just a nice background for your cover. Okay, just pick anyone. Now let's go past this. So I'm going to show you how to make a book cover. I'm going to pick any picture because that's not the most important part of this lesson. Alright, and now I want you to look at the bottom. Do you see a T? I want you to press that T. Okay, and then it says My Story Title up here. Now, touch My Story Title, and then you get to edit it. Alright? You get to edit it and write down the title of the story. What's the title of our story? The Lion and the Mouse. Very good. So type it in. And then when you start typing, you will see 3 buttons down here. You will see this is the typing, this is the keypad, and then this is, if you touch this, it becomes the color. So you can choose what color you want. So just say I want green. I touch green and it becomes green. And then there's the third one is the font size, and whether it's left, right, or center. So if you put it to the left, then it will go to the left. If you want it in the center, then it will be in the center. And then you can choose whatever font you want, okay? And then the font size as well. You can make it bigger, you can make it smaller. It's up to you, okay? Then when you're done, you click this tick button on the top left, this is your left or right? Your top right corner. Then you can also move the thing around. You just say you don't want it to be on the top, you want it to be on the bottom or in the center. Just, fiddle around a bit. Then you want to add more things, right? Because we wanted to have 4 things on the book cover: the title, the author, a little short sentence about what the story is about, and also the reviews, okay, your opinions. Alright? So just keep clicking this, and then it says by Mayap. This means they want the author here. Now, who is the author of The Lion and the Mouse? It's Aesop. Okay, so write down Aesop. By Aesop. Okay, after you finish clicking it or deciding what font, what color, whatever, click the tick button, and then you have by Aesop. And then you want to add more things, so just keep pressing the T's and things will come out. And then you can move them around, alright? So I'm going to let you do this. I'm going to give you half an hour to design your book covers. And then after that, we're going to show the book covers to the class. So I want you to post this book cover on Facebook, in our class Facebook group. And then we'll all look at them together and judge which group has the best book cover. Okay? Alright.